Here we are up in the crawl space. It's absolutely miserable up here. And you can see my current bathroom fan. No electrical box. I brought this guy up here today. We're gonna install it, clean up this bird's nest, and get a functioning new bath fan. Okay, so we got these 3 random wires cut free from the fan. I'm just going to combine them back in the box. I think these went to the space heaters that are no longer in use, but I'm not going to mess with circuitry tonight. Just trying to get the fan fixed. Alright, so I got the wires pulled up through the box. Have not fastened it yet. I need to make sure I got enough length out of these guys, so I will once that's done. Got the fan out. You can see down into my shower right there. And I got to cut a little bit, so I'll do that. And I will set this box and get it ready for the fan. Made all my connections, made sense of all that mess, ran a jumper wire. This is gonna go from my box to the fan. Just have to make that connection. Now I'm going to attach this box up here to the structure, give it a nice secure place to sit. I'm about to cut open the drywall hole to be big enough for this fan. But before I did that, I went ahead and connected everything. Neutral to neutral, hot to hot. I did one switch for both the fan and the light. If you want to hook it up separately, the blue would be your light. Put that on a separate circuit from your black, and you would have dual switching for the fan light combo. I'm going to cap this guy off. Make sure I put a grommet on here. You don't want to strip this wire coming in. These boxes can be very sharp. Make sure you protect your wire casing. Put this guy back together, and I'll be back in a minute. And I'm about done. Got my box mounted here. Everything's safely tucked away. Got my new wire. Got it tied down. Several spots. Got the fan run. Added an exhaust pipe. That's going to go out. I have an exhaust vent right here. I'm going to do that after the video. But I do want to talk about something. Today's tip is think about your surroundings, your environment. Right now I'm up in the attic. It's the worst possible place I could think to work, right now at least. Every other step could be on drywall. I could puncture, have my legs sticking out the living room ceiling. That being said, every opportunity is a chance to drop something up here. Look at this electrical box. I went to put it on and I was trying to fight gravity. Guess what? By being smarter, thinking about where you're at, this box is, gravity's gonna be your friend. Let it hook down. Now I can sit there all day long while I find my screwdriver. And there you have it. Here's my ceiling fan bathroom light combo installed and operational.